CCDB, from the very beginning, it started as a relief and rehabilitation organization. Today, the whole world has been facing a very unusual disaster. The virus that has been carried by people, those who are traveling from one country to others, that is the main issue for spreading this virus to Bangladesh as well. Many of people want to go out of Dhaka to the village. They thought that if they go to the village, they will be staying with their families, near one, dear ones, and village level maybe this effect of this virus is less than Dhaka. Those who are living in a small room or in a shanty town, mainly they are not really confined themselves in that small house. It is very difficult for them, and they are coming out for their livelihood, and they are coming out for searching a job. That's why it is very difficult to keep the people within the house. Although the government has taken a strict measures by employing the law enforcement authorities, but it is the fact and reality that people, they are need their food, because they are saying when they are going out that we have to die even if we stay in the house without food. So either we'll die by food, without food, or by the coronavirus.
মানুষের পেটে খাবার নাই।
আমার স্বামী দিনমজুর, বাইরে বাড়াতে পারছে না, কোনো কাম কাজ যে যেতে পারছে না, তাই আমরা একটু খুব সমস্যার মধ্যে আছি।
We have started with the generating fund from among ourselves, that how much one day's salary has been generated, and then we have contracted with ACT Alliance for assisting the people. So these ways, very smaller way, we have started generating fund and responding to this coronavirus.
Our reference people need short-term emergency and long-term recovery support to overcome this crisis. We distributed 45,000 awareness-raising leaflets on COVID-19 and distributed necessary food items to 2,000 people. Their livelihood would be deadly disrupted in upcoming days. Without external support, it will be very difficult for them to return their original state.
এখন এইটা থেকে রক্ষা পাওয়ার জন্য একজন মানুষ থেকে আরেকজনের দূরে থাকতে হবে, মুখে এই মাস্ক।
We are trying our best to make the people aware about the whole situation, about the disease itself, and how we can keep ourselves safe from this disaster.
সিসিটিভির পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদেরকে হাত ধোয়ার জন্য এবং পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্নতার জন্য কিছু জিনিস দিয়ে যাচ্ছে, এগুলো একটু নেবেন।
In this critical time, as low-income country like Bangladesh, this COVID-19 pandemic has put us into a time of trial. What we see right at this moment can be just the tip of the iceberg. This can escalate beyond our imagination. As the infection is spreading fast, health system is fragile, people are starving and jobless, societal peace and justice are under threat. As soon as possible, we need to respond to this situation. We need to stand in solidarity across borders to support these people and fight back together for the world we just have lost. This is exactly what CCDB wants to do through its immediate, later midterm and long-term responses. And to do that, we need your support, your assistance, and your prayers. As the children of God, let's do something together. Otherwise, we will lose the right time to save all of us.